Welcome to the newest addition to the SimplyPrint platform, AutoPrint. Just add files to the print queue and let your printer run on autopilot, no matter which printer you have. Files are intelligently matched with the suitable printers, keeping your printers running 24/7. You can match tags between your files and printers, like color or material, or select a specific printer to handle the job. Choose between our predefined methods for any setup. Whether you use automation hardware, simply use the printhead, or find your own way. Set a release temperature or time delay in the AutoPrint options to ensure a perfect release every time. This is all completely automated, so lean back and watch the magic happen. Or, go get a coffee.